It reminded me a little of Severance. Have you watched Severance?
Yeah.
So,
I have a big, massive crush on the protagonist.
are you serious? He's so your type, though. I can
I
see it.
know, right? And
Yeah, he's so your
Avanti,
type.
it is unhealthy right now.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it is. I have gone and watched his, like, I have not realized I've watched
Does
his stuff.
Himanshu come in the house and change
No,
it?
he doesn't know about it yet. He'll know through this podcast. But I have watched he was in Parks and Rec.
Yes.
So I have watched Parks and Rec with, like, I liked him. But I don't know, Severance has triggered something or.
So I think because I have
Hmm.
not watched Parks and Rec all, but I have seen like some a few and far between. So he's a funny guy, right? In general, like he does his other
Yeah,
work that I've seen.
he's that
Funny guy,
straight face
correct?
comedy kind
Straight
of
face
thing.
comedy, yes. Which is why probably it triggered because here he is a completely different
Hmm.
thing, right?
Hmm. And
But
actually, he is
man,
looking very different now. But if you see him like 2010 to,
sure,
like,
sure,
he's come
sure,
in movies and all. He's
sure.
Avanti, Rabbit Hole is a small. I went and like this weekend. I watched all his interviews of Severance. All.
Oh, I do that sometimes. Oh, of
Hmm.
Severance. I do that sometimes. Like,
Yeah,
but
because
that's not,
he's not that famous to have a lot of content.
no.
No,
I don't even know his name. What's his name? He's good.
Adam Scott.
Yes, Adam Scott. Correct. Yes, yes, yes. But you know, it's Ben Stiller's show, right? Like, Ben Stiller
Yeah,
has made it.
yeah, yeah.
So, for all the movies that Ben Stiller has been in, this is like, whoa,
And
what?
apparently he's like a taskmaster and all. So he's not like fun man.
He's like that guy in
Yeah.
Friends episode.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Who was like Ben Stiller and that Eddie guy, na? Eddie also shouts at some fish, right? Or was it Ben Stiller who shouts at a
Yes,
fish?
Eddie.
Hmm.
No, Ben Stiller shouts. Ben, did you finish?
Yeah, go for it.
Ben Stiller shouts at the little chick
Oh,
because that chick shits in his hands, and then he's like, piece of shit. And that's when they open the door because Ross has been
yeah,
trying to tell them that
yeah.
he has an
Mhm.
issue. But
Mm.
yeah. Anyway,